everyone, and welcome back to another playthrough of Resident Evil HD. Let's do some more. We can do this puzzle. There we go. It's a puzzle. That goes there. There we go. I think that goes down there. We go there? No. There we go. That goes there. There we go. That goes there. There we go. There's a brooch inside. It's a key. Emblem key. Okay, let's get out of here. There's a door you have to go through. It's useful for that door. Have to get over to that red door over there. See that typewriter over there. So I think I'm gonna go this way and then go through third floor, then down, because the floor is all the hunter. Hunter. He's a callin'. He be a callin'. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, let's go the other way. Showed off Forest. Yep. There's the door I need. More zombies around. That's good. Don't like the zombies. Or the Chrism heads. They're evil. Everything. Where's the hunter? He buggered off. Nice. I can go through here again. It's a nice shortcut. Get off me, you shit. Yes, throw away. Good. Now zombies will be in there now. There's the light switch. Yes. Thank you. Yes, I'll take the metal object. Thank you. I'll take those as well, please. I want those. No, no. Anything else here? Yep. Good. This room clear now? Yep. Good. Good, good, good. I got that metal object now. Where else do I need to go? Go and do that fight too. Is this the door I'm thinking of? Or is it another door I need to go through the big main hall? Let's just see. Or is it another door I'm thinking of? This is a different room. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Good. Heck yeah. There's a hole here. You want to go down? So that's like the hole. I solved it already. Is it solved if I come back in? Probably not. It resets probably. And no, it's done. Okay, you can come back here. I just want to check out the other place. There's that. have to go the other way. Go the other way. That poor zombie, he got blown up. Feels so lonely without monsters around. Burn you up, zombie. What is this door then up here? I'm gonna save again. What is this door up here? Ooh! Oh, nice! Let's go. Herbs. Fuck. I'm gonna go get some healing items. But I know this is here, which I'm happy about. Probably get some more ammo for my grenade launcher. Are those zombies done? Yep. Good. The zombies are done. Okay, time to defeat Yawn for the second time, I think. I don't want to save here again, just in case. I'm not doing all this shitty shit all over again. And I'll hopefully defeat Yawn. And I got 10 more ink ribbons. I got self-defense gun. I'm gonna use that too. And I got the Magnum still, which is nice. Yeah, I didn't realize that. Well, down there will be hunters if I go down that way. But I'm not going down that way. I'm going this way. This way. Yep. Hey, Loki, remember you? This is y'all. Oh shit. Hello, yawn. Wait for me, you fucking snake. Ow! Stupid camera angle bullshit. Hell yeah! Yawn, you're dead! Oh look, books got knocked over. Thanks, Yawn. You're such a big help. Yep. Yes, I will. Ooh. Poor Yawn. Bye, Yawn. Well, Yawn was easy to defeat, and then for now, I think we're good to go for other places. I just want to go to the save room now. And maybe I have to go out to the... Nope, he's still a zombie. He's still a zombie. What's that one door? That door. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Ah, great. Prison Head. Love those guys. I have to get there. That's a place too I have to go to. So I have to get down to the basement. I think I have to go outside again out of the cabin area. And then there'll be like a place we can go and then get the waterfall down and stuff. Yeah, I think that's it. Is this the right way? Yes. Good. Okay, I'm gonna save here. And probably head out to the outside again. Probably go to the underground next time, viewers. That away. That away. Good. Bring up my handgun. That. Ink ribbons. Where's my ink ribbons? I wasted 3 ink ribbons this episode. I don't mind, because or 2. I think 3 or 2. Okay, viewers. You guys take care. Bye-bye.